Hey, today I'm going to show you how to reverse an integer. So let's create a function which takes integer as a parameter. We'll be testing it by sending negative or positive values for the accurate result, since we want the reverse of an integer. So let's create a function where reverse, you can name whatever you want, reverse equal to function, we'll be sending as a parameter. Let's name it as a num, and let's call that function, and we'll be sending, for now let's use 123 as a parameter. So we do not have any method to directly reverse the given integer. So first we have to convert the number into a string. To do that, we can do it in two ways. We can use type cohesion, like we have to add the number with a string literal, then it will convert that into a string. So let me show you how it will work. So console.log of, if you apply the type of operator will be applied to check the data type of that. I said the number will be converted into a string. So first our number was, let me show you the type of the input we are receiving. So see, we are receiving 123 as a parameter, and we are checking the type of that number using, we are checking the data type of that using the type of operator, and after that we have converted that number into a string using this type cohesion method. So let's check the data types of that. Something is missed, yeah, spelling mistake, console, yeah, refresh it, yeah, you can see now number and a string. So we can also do like given number dot to string and give the radix as 10, since it's a decimal number. These will also do, but mostly we'll prefer this one, which is the easiest way. So let's store that in some str variable, num plus string, yeah, this is what we did. Now we have to convert this into an array using the split method. Let's store this value in AR equal to this. Let me show you in case you are not aware of these methods. Console.ir. So what we had here, let me show you the str, console.log of str. So we had 123 string at the beginning. Now we have converted that into an array of elements. In the split method we have splitted this. Now what we want to do is, let's reverse those array elements. Let's see it now. See, it became 1 2 3 became 3 2 1. Now after that let's join it using the join method. Let's see it now. See, there are other ways also to reverse it. It's a very simple and old fashioned method. I will show it in the other video. So this is how you can split the string into an array and reverse the array elements and join the array elements into a string. So the output we got here, which is a string, not a number, but we want a number. So let me show you, it's a string. Apply the type of operator to check the type of that result. You can see it says it's a string. So to convert the number, the string into a number, we have to use a ParseInt. So it converts it into an integer. So we have to pass the string as a parameter. So our string is stored in this ARR variable. Let's pass this. Let's store this result in some fin. Okay, now check the type of that, to check the data type of that. If you check it out, you can see it says it's a number. Now it got converted into a number. So before that, let me show you one thing. So let me send -1. Okay, let me send -123 here. See, when you send minus 123, this is we are getting at the console log 6. The 6, see, you have converted this into a string, right? So it took minus 123 only. After that, you have splitted that array into an array and reversed it and joined it. When you joined it, this minus 1 got reversed and that was placed at the end of that string. So when you are passing that string into a number, it ignored that minus value, it only considered this number. So that's why you are getting the result as positive value. Let me show you the result. When you do return fin, this is the final result you got. When you check the output of it, you are sending minus 123 and you should get minus 321. See, you are getting the plus 321 because whenever you applied this ParseInt, it only applied that on these numbers and it ignored this minus 3 value here. So that's why we'll be using the Math.sign. Let me show you that. Math.sign, what it does is, when you pass one number here, positive number, it's console.log off. When you pass the positive value, it says the sign of it, it says plus 1. Similarly, if you send let me write in a second console, if you send the negative value, it says minus 1. It simply returns the sign of it. See, you send 1 3 2, it says plus 1 only because it's a positive number. It says 142 minus 142, it just gives minus 1 because it just gives you the sign of the given number. That's it. So we'll be using this method here. So our result is in fin. So let's apply this math.sign off, sign off. This is input we are getting from the function, right? So into our result is stored in fin. So let's multiply that. So when you send minus 123, here we are receiving that minus 123. So math.sign will give minus 1 into this result, which is 321. So minus 321 will be the result. So let's store this in the final variable. Now if you return the final value, you can see the change. See, minus 321. Let me send 12378 minus 12378. So you should see minus 87321, which is working fine. So this is how you can convert the number into a string and a string into an array of elements and reverse it and join it, and again convert that string into an integer. So you saw that when you are converting that string into an integer, you lost that minus value. So for that we have used this math.sign method and multiplied that with our final result to get the expected one. So this is how you can do. Thanks a lot for watching.